High-performance beginner drone Potensic Atom 2 sees major price drop. The arrival of spring often signals a surge in outdoor activities. And for aerial photography enthusiasts, it marks the ideal time to take to the skies. Currently, a significant discount is making high-quality drone technology more accessible. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More combo is available for $360, representing a $120 savings off its regular retail price. Exceptional value for beginners and enthusiasts, the Potensic Atom 2 has positioned itself as a formidable alternative to industry giants like DJI. While many entry-level drones compromise on image quality, the Atom 2 offers impressive capabilities, including 4K video recording and 8K still photography in JPG format. This specific Fly More combo bundle is designed to solve the most common frustration in drone piloting: limited battery life. By including 3 batteries and a charging hub, the bundle provides over 90 minutes of total flight time, allowing for extended photography sessions without constant downtime. Why the sub-250g weight matters. One of the most significant advantages of the Potensic Atom 2 is its ultra-lightweight design. Weighing in at just 249 grams, 8.8 Oz, it falls into a crucial regulatory category. Contextual note: in many regions, drones under 250g are subject to fewer regulatory hurdles and often do not require formal registration for recreational use. This makes the Atom 2 an ideal choice for hobbyists who want to fly without the administrative burden associated with larger, professional-grade aircraft. Key features and performance: the drone is engineered to balance autonomy with control, making it highly approachable for those new to the hobby. Smart flight modes includes automatic takeoff and landing, return to home safety features, and subject tracking. Extended range, capable of video transmission up to 10 km, 6.2 miles. Night visibility, equipped with a distinctive green flashing rear light to assist with orientation in low-light conditions. Portability, the compact, folded dimensions make it easy to transport in the included carrying case. Market comparison: the current deal places the Potensic Atom 2 at a highly competitive price point compared to other major retailers. Retailer current price: Amazon $360, Walmart $360, Best Buy $380. Verdict: should you buy it? Buy it if you are looking for a well-built, portable, and easy-to-fly drone that offers high-end camera specs without the heavy regulatory requirements of larger models. It is widely considered one of the best non-DJI options on the market. Don't buy it if you require a professional-grade cinema tool. For high-end commercial production, a more robust platform like the DJI Mavic 4 Pro would be more appropriate. Conclusion: with its combination of high-resolution imaging, extended flight time via the Fly More combo, and a weight that bypasses many registration requirements, the Potensic Atom 2 at $360 offers an exceptional entry point into the world of aerial photography.